Hello everyone, I am here again and we are going to start our topic fundamental unit of life. In this chapter we have already discussed about few things. We have discussed about cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm also, and in this class we are going to discuss about the cell organelles. So basically in class 9th you have to study about only few cell organelles, I must say. You have to study about endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, vacuoles, plastids and lysosomes. About 5 or 6 cell organelles actually there are which you have to study. So we are starting our class with the very first cell organelle which is mentioned in your book, that is endoplasmic reticulum. And listen students, when I am going to talk about the cell organelles, I will be giving a particular name to a particular cell organelles so that it will be easier for you to understand about their function, and you will have a mind makeup just as you will recall the name, or you can say the common name for that cell organelle, and after that you will be memorizing the things very easily. So when we talk about this endoplasmic reticulum, first of all we have to study about the structure of an animal cell. Basically, what are the different organelles which are present in an animal cell? You can see the structure of the animal cell here, and we have various cell organelles present in an animal cell. We have endoplasmic reticulum, we have Golgi apparatus, we have mitochondria, vacuoles, plastids. All the things are present in the endoplasmic in an animal cell. And if we talk about the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, as you can see here on the board, this endoplasmic reticulum, its structure and function, both these things are very important, because questions are asked generally about these two things only: what is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum and what is its function. So if we talk about the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, as you can see here clearly, it is a large network of membrane bound tube and sheets. You can see a network here. It is a large network actually, because membrane bound tube and sheets are present. The tubes which are present, they are covered by a membrane, and they are not only one in number, there are many tubes and sheets present in this endoplasmic reticulum. So this can be written as the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. And next we have to talk about its function. So when it comes about the function of endoplasmic reticulum, we can understand it by this, that the endoplasmic reticulum is first of all divided into two different parts or types, you can say. This is divided into rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We have two different types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. And why this first part is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, this can be explained as we can see some pore-like or dot-like structures which are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are basically the ribosomes. They are present on rough endoplasmic reticulum as small dots upon them, and they are making their structure very rough. They are making its structure not as the smooth surface, it is making that surface rough. So that's why the first one is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, because it is it appears dotted in nature because of the presence of ribosomes, and the ribosomes are the sites for protein manufacture. They are called as protein manufacturing units. So that's the same thing which I was telling you about a common name for the cell organelles. So when we talk about endoplasmic reticulum, we can call it as manufacturing unit, because basically what is happening here, what is happening in endoplasmic reticulum, it is manufacturing the things. And which things are being made up here? The things or the thing basically is protein. The ribosome is the site for protein manufacture. So this endoplasmic reticulum, or we can say the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it consists of ribosomes, which is the site for the manufacture of proteins. Proteins are very important for the for the functions of the cell. So that's why this function of endoplasmic reticulum is also very important. And as I was talking about, it's two parts. So the first one is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the second one, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is called smooth because it is not having ribosomes upon it. So that's why its appearance is smooth as compared to RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what happens, or what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum then? So basically the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in the formation of fat molecules or lipid molecules actually. So these fat molecules, as they are produced by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are also helpful in the formation of some membranes, or you can say biomembranes, as they are involved in the formation of covering, you can say the covering of different partitions, or you can say the covering of membranes. They are these coverings are formed by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this process of formation of membranes with the help of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is called as membrane biogenesis. So this the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also equally important, and as I have written some functions of endoplasmic reticulum here. The first one, you can easily see, these are the sites of protein manufacture, as I have already told you about rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it helps in the manufacture of fat molecules. This is about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in the structure, in the manufacture of fat molecules, and these fat molecules are basically responsible for forming the membrane, that is called as membrane biogenesis. And another function of endoplasmic reticulum is it serves as a channel for the transport of materials between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. If anything has to be transferred from the cytoplasm to the nucleus, so in that case endoplasmic reticulum can act as a channel. It can act as a medium for the transport of materials in between these two, the cytoplasm and the nucleus. And another function of the endoplasmic reticulum, it can be stated as it functions as cytoplasmic framework, providing structure for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. It can also act as a framework, you can say, because some of the biochemical activities of the cell, they happen in the endoplasmic reticulum. So this is also very important function of endoplasmic reticulum. And in the last, I would like to tell you one very interesting thing about the endoplasmic reticulum, or I should say the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, about the SER. So its a very important function is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum of the vertebrates. I'm talking about especially the vertebrates. So in the liver of the vertebrates, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it acts in detoxifying some toxic materials, you can say. As I have written here, in the liver of some vertebrates, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a role in detoxifying poisons. So you can relate it with example. If anybody drinks more, if he takes or if she takes more drinks or alcohol, you can say, then we generally say in that case that if you will drink more alcohol, your liver will damage, your liver will be it will not function properly. So why we say like that? Because the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is present in the liver, it acts in detoxifying the poisons. It detoxifies the poisons, and if the intake of alcohol is very much, it is in a large amount, in that case the smooth endoplasmic reticulum of the liver, they are not able to perform their work properly. So that's why we generally say that more consumption of alcohol, it damages the liver. So this is the case with the vertebrates of or you can say the liver of the vertebrates. And these were the things about endoplasmic reticulum. Whenever you are studying about this particular cell organelle, you have to understand that this is the manufacturing unit. You have to, relate these two things with each other, as endoplasmic reticulum and manufacturing unit. These two are related to each other. This is the main site for the protein manufacture of the cell. This can be divided into two different parts, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes. That's why it is the main site for protein manufacture. When we talk about smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is responsible for the production of fat or lipid molecules, and these fat molecules are helpful in the formation of biomembranes, and this formation of biomembrane is called as membrane biogenesis. And some other function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is that it can serve as a channel for the transport of material between the cytoplasm and the nucleus, and it can also provide a framework for some cell activities, you can say bioactivities of the cell. It can provide a framework for that. And the very last thing I was telling you, that in the vertebrates, the liver, it consists of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which helps in detoxifying some poisons. That's why it is very helpful in dealing with the toxic effects of the alcohol. But in any case, if by chance the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it will not work properly in the liver, in that case, if the person takes more, or you can say a big amount of alcohol, in that case his or her liver will damage. So these were the things about endoplasmic reticulum. In the next video we are going to cover the next cell organelle. Thank you for watching everyone.